Intervention methods for the Fishers. Finding the common ground to proceed in nonviolent communication. Hi, my name is Vanita Wilson Andrews, and I'd like to first take the time out to thank you all for watching our video snippet based on the Fishers and their daughter Mallory's homeschooling dilemma. In the video, the social worker approached the Fishers' session by having them both express how they felt about their daughter being homeschooled. After both parties appeared to be disruptive to one another's need to get their points across, she then proceeded by educating them about using nonviolent communication and giraffe languaging and avoiding Jacqueline languages. How neither could benefit from accusations and interference while they were both talking. As you can see, the couple's willingness to move forward in trying nonviolent communication worked in their favor because they began to effectively listen and allow each other to speak, reaching a common ground, with a few bumps in the road, of course. But both parties began to state their point of views about homeschooling versus public schooling using the common ground exercise presented to them by their social worker to better understand each other, so that in the end they will come to the conclusion that they both do care about their daughter's well-being, just in different ways. The social worker had them restate what they believe they heard one another verbally express to gain comprehension of how the other party felt in the matter. Now, they won't resolve the dilemma overnight, of course, but through thorough communication and a continuance of intervention with their social worker, they will eventually be able to connect verbally and effectively using non-violent communication. What's your view? Do you think that the Fishers would benefit from non-violent communication to come to that common ground? Thank you for watching.